Good morning. Today is another toy day. A big, huge load of toys going into the aviaries now. I'm hoping that should do for a week. So, decision, which toy goes in which aviary. Well, the top three are macaws, that's for sure. Why not? So first the African Greys get a little bit of an upgrade here. That's a new toy. No, that's not brand new. Put something interesting down here. They need to have stuff to do. It's a new toy there. Wiki! Then I put that fancy branch in here, who almost has a nut inside. And this one here. So tied the ropes a little better before they get everything brand new. Guys, have fun. So next ones are the Amazons. I enjoy the new toy. And even here, tied the rope a little better. The ropes. That is a new toy also. That guy wanna play with me. And I show you what they can do with metal. Look at that. Look how they chew it up. They squeeze it together just like that. Gaat u ruiken? Oh. So now we're in the mixed aviary with ringnecks, with the mustache, Alexandrine. This is a new toy here. Tied up the ropes a little better till I renew them. This is a new toy. Those branches here are new. So all that stuff here is new. And where are the birdies? Yeah, over here. A lot of new branches for the macaws, for the cockatoos. Put a lot of stuff on here. On there. Because that chew everything through, so what's good? Hey boys, girls. And we got 2 eggs from the silver pheasant. Right here. And right there. Still warm. So I better show right now. They could look very different in 10 minutes. Now he's busy working too. Look at that. So a few things are done. The rope. I put the rope different now. Toys. Rope different. Here too. More toys. More toys. Picture of the king. Hey, hi Teddy. More toys. More toys. And here is a whole bunch of branches new. I put some new stuff on. But it's still a lot to do. I need a full lot a day here just by the macaws.